All right, so I'm going to show you how to start practicing your paper quilling. I've got my workstation all set up here. I have construction paper with my name and my class on it, which is really important. I've got some strips of scrap paper that are for practice. I've got my needle tool so I can wrap nice tight coils, and I've got a little puddle of glue on my plate. So what I'm going to do is, like you saw in the video, just wrap my strips around my needle. Now, if you want your coil to remain a really tight coil, then what you're going to do is, after you're finished wrapping it around your needle, you will dip the end here into the glue and you'll press it shut so it stays nice and tight. Now, if you want to turn it into a shape, like I've got some shapes right here, you're going to let it loosen up quite a bit. Okay. Then dip the end in some glue and then press it shut. So you see how it's much bigger now and it's a lot looser, so I can play with the shape a little bit more. So once you have the end glued shut, then you're just going to start, like you saw in the video, all she did was pinch the sides in different ways to make different shapes. So you just start experimenting with different shapes that you want to make. And then once I've made the shape that I like, I'm going to dip it in some glue like that. I'm going to dip the bottom of it in some glue. Get a decent amount of glue on there, because if you don't get enough glue, it'll definitely fall off the paper after it's dry. And the glue dries clear, so if you have a little extra, it's no big deal. And I think I want to glue this one like that. So I'm going to press it down onto my paper until the glue starts to set a little bit, and then I am all good to start my next coil. Now, once it is time to clean up, you're going to put your paper quilling page onto the drying rack, and you're going to take a paper towel and wipe out any leftover glue off of the plate, and then you'll put your plate on the drying rack as well. That way we can reuse the plates, okay? Good luck, have fun, try out lots of different things.